Hello, join me on your mat for this short, gentle, slow flow and deep stretch. Here we go. Anchor your feet, spread your toes, stand up nice and tall. Take a deep breath. Be grateful that you made it to your mat. Shoulders down and back, head tall. One more breath right here. Don't move. Okay, now let's move. Inhale, fan your arms up. Keep them up. Exhale and reach your thumbs behind you ever so gently, pulling your shoulder blades down. Inhale, fingers to the sky. Exhale, thumbs back. Inhale, reach and lengthen. Exhale, fan the arms down by your side. Take a breath right here. All right, let's add on. Inhale and fan up. Stay there. Inhale, reach. Exhale, palms together. Inhale, big and deep right here. Exhale, sit back into a chair pose. Narrow squat, hips back, heels down, head up. Inhale here. Rotate towards your right, attempting to get your elbow towards the outside of your right knee. You don't have to make contact. You can be hovering up here wherever you land. Slide your hips back. Breathing here. On your next exhale, come back through the center and switch over to the other side. Spread your toes, anchor your feet. On your next exhale, back to the center and then collapse. Release, relax, forward fold. Head down. Inhale and lift to a flat back. Yeah, half lift. Exhale, release, relax. Inhale deep here. Exhale all the way back up to standing. Bring your arms with you. Yeah. Inhale here, reach and lengthen. Exhale, gentle lean back. Inhale, reach and lengthen. Exhale, arms down. Yeah, palms together. Inhale deep. Exhale into your chair, twist. Breathe here. Exhale back through center. Inhale, go to the other side. Exhale back to center and release, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Nice long spine, lengthening through the crown of your head. Exhale, release, relax. Plant your hands and step to a down dog. Take a moment to adjust your fingers. Press your palms down. Lift your tailbone to the sky behind you. Breath here. Inhale, raise your right leg, single leg dog. Exhale, bring it all the way to the top, outside your hands, runner's lunge. Inhale, open your right hand up and rotate towards your right knee. Straight line through your shoulders. If this is too intense on your shoulder, put your hand on your thigh and or keep it on the floor. Optionally, you could also lower your back knee if you need to. Inhale here. Exhale, hand down. Place your knee down, everybody, even if it's not already there. And sit back towards your back heel, walking your hands back, lengthening your front leg and lifting your front toes. Oh, hey, hamstring, how are you doing? Settle and into it. Find your spot. Wiggle down. Ooh, baby. Toes up, foot flexed. Yeah. Okay, come back into that runner's lunge. Front foot down. Take a breath here in your runner's lunge. Pressing your hip down, lifting your chest up. Smile. It's good for you. Step back into another down dog. Take a breath here. Settle. Raise your left leg to the sky. Step that leg wide. Runner's lunge. And rotate open. Trying not to lean too much on your hand. I caught myself kind of falling over. Weight in your feet, light on your hand. Yeah, there it is. That's better. Oh, straight line, chest open. Fingers straight up. Hand down, knee down. Take a breath, press here. And settle back into your hamstring stretch. If you feel off balance here, you can bring your hand wide on the outside of your leg. You could also use blocks, whatever you need. Just trying to make this as simple as possible. Nothing fancy, but it feels good. Hip flexor stretch, runner's lunge, press. Come out of that, down dog. Knees down wide on the edge of your mat, toes in. Wiggle your hips back into a child's pose. Let your head relax onto your mat or a block or a pillow right here under your forehead. Allowing your breath to be deep and full and slow. Allowing yourself to relax. One more deep breath here. Come on back up to another down dog. We're going into pigeon. Bring your right knee up towards your right hand. Lengthen your back leg, your left leg long and straight behind you, top of the foot down. This is pigeon. You might feel a deep enough stretch here. We're looking at the front leg, glute primarily, little hip, little thigh, little hip flexor back here. Depending on your body, it will feel different. It will look different. If you don't feel it here, you want to make it bigger, you can open your front foot and or come down a little lower. Just keep your hips square. Try not to let this back hip open. Down. Yeah. Ooh, ow. Hello. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Couple more breaths here. Settle into this. One more deep breath. Enjoy the moment. Fill your belly full. Exhale all the way out. Let's ease out of this. Ooh, plant your hands back on your mat. Inhale. Exhale back to down dog. Same thing left side. Take a breath here. Exhale your knee up. Settle into your pigeon on this side. Will feel different from side to side. Will feel different from day to day. Oh, yummy. Yeah. You don't have to keep your body entirely still. If you're antsy or you're just feeling good, want to move a little, just try to keep your breath steady, still, your mind focused on the here and the now. Here and now. Couple more breaths here. Enjoy the moment. Stay here. winding down. Oh. All right, ease out of this. Whew, that felt good. I want to stay there longer. Exhale back to one last down dog. Oh, really press into your palms. Lengthen through your spine. Drop the top of your head between your arms. Knees down, release, relax into child's pose. At this point, if the extended child's pose, fingers forward, is too much, you can bring them back by your side or wrapped around your lower back, wherever you're comfy, whatever feels right. You can even put them right under your head. Just a few deep breaths here to close. Take your time, breathe deep. Be thankful for this moment, for this breath, for this day, and for this body. Slowly and gently on your next exhale, ease yourself up out of your child's pose. Just plop around into a comfy seated position. Nicely done. One more deep breath before we go. Just holding still, eyes closed if that's comfortable for you. Belly breath in through your nose. And all the way out. Take your time. Blow it all the way out. Get it out. All of it. Yes, nicely done, friend. I hope you feel amazing, and I hope to see you again very soon. Take care. Till next time.